Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful Japanese doll which is made using paper quilling strips, and she is looking super duper cute, isn't it? So I will share how to make the face, hairstyle, her dress, small fan and the umbrella. Everything is made from scratch and this is super duper easy to make. You can decorate your desk or drawing room using this cute and super beautiful doll. So without any delay, let's get started. So I'm starting with making the face of the doll. For this I'm taking 8 strips of peach color in 5 mm and making one big tight coil. So the tight coil is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more. Now I am taking my quilling mold and making the dome shape. And I have also prepared one more tight coil using 7 strips of black color in 3 mm, making the dome for this tight coil as well. Now adding glue inside each dome and constructing the face. On top of the face, I am just sticking the black portion for the hairs. Like this. Hold it for a few seconds and allow it to dry completely. Then to make hairs, here I am taking one strip in black color 3 mm, dividing in 2 parts. Again folding from center and dividing in 4 parts. Folding from center, dividing in 8 parts. So we have 1/8 strip. Just curling the strip like this. So each strip I am curling. And now taking the face back, and from the center of the head I am starting by adding these hairs one by one like this. So we need to cover the back portion of the hairs like this. Just finish this till the middle part, and now I am adding some hairs in the front portion, that is the forehead portion, and for that I have divided 1/8 strip into half, that is 1/16 strip, and now I am just trimming it using my scissor in one level. So everything is covered nicely and the hairs are done. Looking very pretty, nicely made, finished, and the hair part is done. Very easy. Allow it to dry. Then here I am taking small piece of orange color. I have just trimmed the corners in V shape, curling the strip like this to make the hair band. Add little glue and sticking it on top of the head. like this. Then keeping it aside, and I'm taking one strip of black color in 3mm, making one tight coil, and using the quilling mold I'm shaping it as a dome. Here I am making the buns for the hairstyle. Similarly, I have prepared one more, making it little deeper using my finger. Add glue inside both the domes, spread it nicely with the brush. And this is done. Now sticking these domes on top of the head, so it will become the hairstyle as well. Japanese people or girl do like this only, and this is done. Then here I have prepared two more deeper domes using 10 strips of orange color in 5mm for each dome, and the height or length of the dome is approx 3 centimeters. So both the domes are having same height. Here I am making the dress for the doll. I have already added glue inside both the domes. Now it's time to stick it with each other. Now to create the belt, here I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color in 5mm, and I am joining total 3 strips together. Just pressing it nicely using tool, and I'm just making some small flower pattern using ball tool and orange acrylic color on this belt. Then exactly in the center of each flower I am putting small white color dot. In the Japanese dress mostly they wear floral patterns. So if you have the pattern paper which already has the flower print, you can directly use that, or you can create it like mine. So belt is ready. Similarly, in the bottom part of the dress I have created the flowers using yellow and white combination. Now taking one small strip of white color in 2mm, add little glue and just decorating the dress little more to give it nice gown look. Here I have prepared the neck and continuing this strip towards the end. Then wrapping yellow color belt around the waist area. And this is done. Then taking total 3 strips of orange color in 5 mm and making one tight coil. Here I am making the hands. Just insert the pencil, make one cone and open it little more and make a curve for the hand like this. Add glue inside this as well and the hand is ready. Pinching the bottom little bit. Now I am taking one small strip of white color in 2 mm and wrapping it around the edge of the sleeve. And also decorating the edge using yellow color acrylic with the same dotting tool. Hand is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more with the same procedure. Now I am taking one strip of peach color in 3 mm and making one tight teardrop shape for the palm. Just making a dome using quilling mold, add glue inside the palm and this is done. Similarly, I have prepared one more already. Then taking back the face, and here I have just decorated the face using black marker and red marker for eyes and lips. This is super duper easy. And for the cheeks, I have added 2 pink colored circles. Now taking back the dress and I am sticking the face with the dress. And this is done. Then sticking hands. And then here I am taking 1/4 strip of white color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. Here I am showing how to create the small fan. Just insert the pencil through the tight coil, make one small cone, add glue inside the cone. And I am just sticking total 6 cones with each other to create the fan shape. Like this, I have just decorated the top of the fan using orange color marker and stuck this with one of the palm. Now I'm sticking this fan hand with the sleeves like this. And also I'm putting 2 small flowers on each bun just to decorate the hairstyle. These flowers are made using 1 mm strip and on back side of the dress I am putting one bow which is made using orange strips. Now I am showing you how to make umbrella. For this I have prepared this yellow circle which is made using 3.5 centimeter radius. Just folding the circle like this for 16 times, and now creating one small arc in the bottom using pencil, cutting it with the scissors. Now trimming one of the triangle of this design and sticking two parts with each other to make nice curved shape for the umbrella, and this is done. Now I just decorated the umbrella using orange color dots. I have stuck one small tight coil of yellow color inside the umbrella and just sticking one toothpick like this, and on top of the umbrella I am sticking one orange color tight coil for more finishing, and the super cute umbrella is ready. Allow it to dry completely. Then I have prepared this big tight coil using 15 strips of maroon color in 5 mm, sticking the doll on top of this and also putting the umbrella in one of the hand. Allow it to dry. And the super cute Japanese doll with the umbrella is ready. She is looking very pretty, isn't it? I am loving the color combination so much, but if you want to try, you can try with blue color, pink color, green color, any color combination, and you can make the set of the dolls to decorate your workspace or any decorative space. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.